Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make dal my way. This recipe is so delicious guys, and it is a must try. These ingredients will be listed in the description box below along with step-by-step instructions. Now split peas is the main ingredient for our dal, and I'll be adding the spices to my split peas and I'll mix well. I also be adding 2 tablespoons of oil and some garlic and continue to mix. Now to my pot, I will be adding about 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 medium onion and some celery, cilantro and green onions, and mix well. After about 3 minutes, I'll now go in with my split peas. Let's give this a good mix guys. Make sure everything is nice and coated. Allow this to fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. Everything will be infused with the onion and the garlic. Alright guys, then we go in with our water and allow it to cook until the peas is nice and soft and smooth. You can also pulse the peas or blend it to achieve that smooth consistency. Now here's where you taste and adjust your seasoning to your taste and your likeness. Look at that guys, super smooth and delicious. Alright, we set the dal aside for a second. Now we will go in with our geerah seeds for toasting. Guys, this releases a beautiful aroma. Now we want the seeds to become nice and dark but not burnt. I'll set that aside. Then I'll prepare my chunky ingredient, and that would be oil. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil and some garlic. Allow the garlic to become nice and dark, really dark. And then we pour that hot mixture into the dal, and that is how we chunky the dal. Give it a quick stir, and then I go in with my geerah seeds. And there you have it guys, my beautiful delicious dal. And this is served with saltfish. There is a link that will be in the description box below. You guys can check that out. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe. If you're already here, thank you for supporting. Do enjoy.